Hello friendlies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you an easy way to make a frilly heart pillow. Pillows from home decor stores can get super expensive, so this was an easy way to use up some fabric and trim from my supplies. First, I have my red fabric folded in two, and I make a big heart out of pattern paper. I pin that in place so it doesn't move while I'm tracing it, but I ended up tracing outside my pattern for a bigger heart. Keeping the folded material pinned together, cut it out so you have two heart shapes. Next, take your trim or lace and pin it so the trim is facing inwards. This is so when we turn the pillow right side out after sewing, it will be facing the proper direction. Try to keep it consistent along the edge, that way your trim is even after sewing. Now you can pin the top piece in place. Draw a little guideline for yourself so you know where to leave the opening to turn the pillow right side out and stuff it. Next, sew carefully along the edge of the pillow, about 1/4 inch in, so you sew both heart pieces and the trim in place. Remember to leave the opening you marked. My opening was a little small, but make sure you can get your hand in there to turn it right side out. Then you can add stuffing to your heart's content. I guess that's appropriate phrasing here. Once your pillow is stuffed to your standard, hand sew the opening shut using tiny, consistent stitches, making sure to keep the trim in place also. I used a basic straight stitch, but feel free to use whatever looks best for your pillow. Ta-da! A nice frilly pillow. This heart works for Valentine's Day, but this could be applied to any other shape you need also. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!